Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today we'll look at Centaurea, or bachelor button, or cornflower. You may recognize them as normally blue, but they do come in a spectrum of colors, and they are so on trend when people want that wildflower look. These are absolutely perfect. But what happens when you have one that maybe is droopy, maybe doesn't have a good stem? Easiest is to use a 22 gauge wire, cut down just a short segment, and then actually feed it right through the throat and into the stem. Don't let it come back out. You got to be very, very gentle, feeding it down in and molding it, and that will keep the flower straight and fabulous for as long as possible.